morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine at their house. Students, let's start with our mathematics class. This is Sandhya Jadhav, your mathematics teacher. We are on lesson number 5. Name of the lesson is decimal fraction. Let's begin. Student, today we are going to start multiplication of decimal fraction. Okay, we are going to see how we are going to multiply decimal fractions. So let's see examples. Example number 1, multiply 4.3 by 5. So I'll show you two methods. Okay, so let's start with our first method. So here 4.3 you have to multiply by 3. So I'll write here. First I'll convert this decimal fraction into common fraction. So I'll write the number as it is 43. Then after decimal point there is one number, so I'll give 10. Multiply by 5 and denominator 1. Okay, then next step is 43 you have to multiply by 5 and then 10 multiply by 1. Okay, so 43 multiply by 5 I have to do it. So here I will do 43 multiply by 5. So 43 multiply by 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 I will carry 1, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 21. Okay, so what is the answer? 215. So here I will write 215 and 10 ones are 10. 10 ones are 10. So here I have to convert it into the decimal fraction. So I'll write 215 as it is and there is a 10. So from the right side I'll count one number and I'll give the decimal point. So the answer is 21.5. Okay students, so we'll see the another method, method 2. In method 2 you can write the number by removing the decimal point and multiply it. Okay, how I'll do it? 43 multiply by 5. Simple multiplication. 5 3s are 15, 5 carry 1, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 21. So answer I'll write it as 4.3 multiply by 5 is equal to 215. But I have to write the answer in decimal point. So see, after decimal point one number is there. So here I'll give the decimal point. Okay, so the answer is 4.3 multiply by 5 is equal to 21.5. So this is the answer. Okay student, now we'll see example 2. So student, in example 2 let's read the rate of petrol. The rate of petrol is rupees 62.32 per liter. Seema wants to fill 2.5 liters of petrol in her scooter. How many rupees will she have to pay? Okay, so let's start this sum. So what is the information you are getting here? Rate of petrol, it is given. Rate of 1 liter petrol is how much? 62.32. So I'll write here 62.32. Okay, and Seema wants to fill 2.5 liter. How much she want to fill? 2.5. So how I'll write? 2.5. Okay, in her scooter. Now what we have to find? How many rupees will she have to pay? Okay, means here price of 1 liter of petrol is given 62.32. So you have to find out the price of 2.5 liter of petrol. So we'll follow the first method. First what we'll do? We will convert this into common fraction. So I'll write the number as it is 6232 divided by how many numbers after decimal point? 2 numbers. So 20, and I will multiply it by 25. I write it as 25, and here how much 0? 10, because after decimal point 1 number is there. Now let's do it. 6232 6232 multiplied by 25 and divided by 100 into 10. Okay, now I have to do this multiplication 6232 by 25. So I'll do here 6232. You have to multiply by 25. So how we are going to do it? 5 2s are 10, 0. I'll carry 1 here. 5 3s are 15. 15 and 1 16, 6. Carry 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1. Carry 1. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 31. Okay. Then 0 will come here. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. And 2 6 are 12. So I'll write 12 here. Okay. Then I have to add it. 0. 6 plus 4 10. 0. Carry 1. 6 7 8. 4 plus 1 5. 3 plus 2 5. And this one will come here. Okay. So what is the answer I am getting? 1,55,800. So I will write here. Okay student, 1,55,800 divided by, again I have to multiply 100 by 10. Okay, so I'll carry the multiplication here. 100 multiply by 10. 0 0s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 1s are 0. One more 0 will come here. 1 0s are 0, 1 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1. And you have to add it. 0 0 0 and 1. So how much will come here? 1000. So I'll write 1000 over here, and then but I have to convert it into the which fraction? Decimal fraction. So I'll write the number as it is, 1,55,800, and see how much 030. Okay, so from right I have to count 3 number 1 2 3, and here I have to give the decimal point. So what is my answer? 62.32 multiply by 2.5. The answer I am getting is 155.800. Okay, so this is the first method. Now I'll see the second method. Now we'll do the second method. So in second method we have to write, in second method, see, 62.32 multiply by 2.5. This is our question. This we have to multiply. So in second method I'll write the number as it is and I will multiply it. Means I will remove the decimal point. Okay, in second method I'll remove the decimal point. So 5 2s are 10, 0, I'll carry 1 here. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 6, carry 1. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, I'll carry 1. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1, 31. Then 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Okay student, here I will add it. 0, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 will carry. Okay, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 4 plus 1, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, and here 1. So what is the answer I am getting? 1,55,800. Okay, so I'll write here 62.32 multiply by 2.5 is equal to 1,55,800. But I have to write it into the decimal point. So I'll count the numbers. Here 2 numbers and here 1 number. So 3 numbers are there. So before 3 numbers I have to give the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So see, in first method I am getting the answer 1,55,000. So I will have a box over here. Okay, in first method what is the answer? What is the answer? 155.800. And in second method also I am getting the same answer. So you can follow either this method or this method. Okay, and at the end you have to write that the Seema will pay 155 rupees 80 paise. Okay students, understood this? So now we'll solve the problem set.